What's up, everybody? My name is Kim, and today I just wanted to tell you all that I probably won't be able to post too much in the next few months, 5 months or so. I've accepted a job outside my state. I won't be able to bring my workstation with me. I probably wouldn't have time to make any tutorials either. So I just want to thank you all for having subscribed, and if you all don't mind, please keep subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I come back and I start posting new content again. Hopefully, I have a few cool wide field astrophotography tips and tricks I can show you all, or as I like to call them, astroscapes. Other than that, I want to thank you all for having subscribed. Please stay subscribed, and I'll see you all next time. I hope you all have a good summer.